The equipment shipped is an EPCB 10-ton gas-fired steam boiler, which will be used in a children's food production enterprise. This 10-ton gas-fired boiler adopts EPCB's mature 3-pass structure design with a reasonable arrangement of the furnace and smoke tubes, ensuring even heating and more stable operation. The boiler has high overall strength and good sealing, effectively reducing condensate entrainment from the source, providing a solid guarantee for high-quality steam output. Equipped with a high-quality gas burner, the flame is stable, combustion is complete, and combustion fluctuations are minimal, effectively preventing fluctuations in steam pressure and quality. The steam distributor equalizes and buffers the steam, ensuring stable pressure and high dryness, meeting the steam demand of multiple workstations. The condensate recovery system recovers high-temperature condensate, not only improving overall thermal efficiency but also reducing external water replenishment, which has a positive impact on steam quality and system stability. A flash tank is configured in the condensate recovery system to effectively reduce pressure and separate high-temperature condensate, making the entire steam system more stable and energy efficient. High-reliability instruments and valves are configured at key locations to monitor pressure and operating status in real time, providing steam assurance for food production. A matching water tank and high-efficiency feed water pump ensure stable water supply and rapid response, ensuring that the boiler maintains continuous and stable operation even under high-load conditions. From the boiler body to every key auxiliary machine, EPCB focuses not only on output but also on steam quality, safety standards, and long-term reliable operation. Being able to be used in children's food production and serving the European export market is a testament to the comprehensive strength of EPCB boilers.